Hey, Brian.
Oh, hi Bridget.
Doing anything today?
No actually.
Maybe we could, go to the movies together. Huh?
Yeah, cool. Oh, 1 second.
Brian Matthew.
Yes? Julie?
How could you? You're cheating.
No. We're just friends, me and Bridget.
But, Brian. We're through.
No, Julie.
I don't wanna hear it, Brian.
Okay, Julie. Whatever. I have Bridget.
Well, I guess this is it.
Yeah, goodbye Julie.
Bye, Brian.
Sorry about that, Bridget.
It's fine. So, the movies?
Yeah, I guess.
What's wrong?
Oh, Bridget and I are done. But, I kinda like you. So maybe you and I?
Oh my god, I'm sorry. But, I like you too, Brian. So yeah.
Awesome. Thanks, Bridget. So let's get going. I'll pay.
Okay, Brian. I can drive. Hee hee.
Okay. Let go, my love. Haha.
Okay?